Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy and sell stocks with Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure your account is fully set up. If you're new to Cash App, complete the verification process and link your bank account. Then, tap on Money or Banking icon, and you'll see your cash balance at the top. This is the money you'll use to buy stocks. If you don't have enough funds, tap Add Money or Cash and transfer money from your linked bank account. Now tap the Stock section on the home screen. Here you'll see your current stock portfolio, market news, and different stock categories. If you already own stocks, they'll be displayed here. To buy a stock, tap on Buy Stocks and ETFs. Then, tap the search bar at the top and search for the company you want to invest in. Once you've found the stock, tap on it to open its details page. Here, you can view the stock's performance, company information, and recent news. Next, tap the Buy button. You can either choose one of the preset amounts or tap the More option to enter a custom investment amount. Cash App allows you to buy fractional shares, so you can start investing with as little as $1. After entering the amount, tap Next, review your order details, and then tap Confirm to complete the purchase. The investment amount will be deducted from your Cash App balance, and the stock will appear in your portfolio. Now, if you want to sell a stock, return to the Stock section and tap the stock you want to sell. Then tap the Sell button. If you own more than a small amount, you can choose how much of your investment you'd like to sell. Enter the amount, review the order details, and tap Confirm to complete the sale. Once the sale is complete, the money will be added back to your Cash App balance. From there, you can use the funds to buy another stock, purchase Bitcoin, make payments, or tap the Cash Out button to transfer the money to your linked bank account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can buy and sell stocks with Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.